Hello guys, welcome to LeeBuyCart. In this video we will explain you about LeeBuyCart dropshipping model. Through dropshipping you can earn good income by working from home. Before understanding the concept of dropshipping, you have to understand the concept of e-commerce business. If you want to start your own e-commerce business, then you have to follow the following steps. First of all, product sourcing from wholesaler or manufacturers. Keep the stocks with you. Then we have to list the products where you want to sell, like Amazon or Flipkart. After listing, when you receive any order, then you have to take care of delivery of products to the customer. Here in e-commerce business, you need a big amount of investment with the risk of product selling or not. Now let's understand LeeBuyCart dropshipping model. Here LeeBuyCart will play the role of wholesaler or manufacturer. LeeBuyCart have wide range of products that LeeBuyCart will provide you at wholesale cost. Main benefit of dropshipping model is that you do not need to purchase the stocks in advance, neither you have to keep the stock with you. Let's understand it with the help of an example. A product whose wholesale cost is 300 rupees, and after adding your profit margin, you are selling it on 700 rupees. When a customer orders you, he will pay you 700 rupees, and after receiving the order, you have to forward the order details to LeeBuyCart. While placing the order with LeeBuyCart, you have to pay its wholesale cost, that is 300 rupees. Difference is your total profit margin, that is we can say 400 rupees. And now LeeBuyCart will ship the product directly to your customer. Let's talk about the difference between e-commerce versus dropshipping. In e-commerce, you need inventory. In dropshipping, there is no need of inventory. In e-commerce, big investment needed, means you have to buy the products in advance. But in dropshipping, you are not keeping the stock with you, so there is no big investment needed. In e-commerce, there is risk of investment return, means that product you have purchased, there is risk of return, that the product will get sold out or not. But in dropshipping, no risk is there because you are not keeping any products or you are not purchasing any stock in advance. In e-commerce, it's totally you have to take care of the packaging and delivery of the particular products. But in dropshipping, you have no need to worry about it because we are taking care of your packaging and delivery. Now, who can start with us? Anyone can start with us, either you are students, freelancers, housewives or professionals. The main thing is that you have the inner willing to earn more by working from home. If you have marketing and time management skill, then it will be an add-on benefit if you want to start. Now let's see what are the documents required to start the dropshipping business. GST number. If you want to sell on Amazon and Flipkart, then GST is mandatory. But if you want to sell through own e-commerce website, then GST is not mandatory. An email or mobile number. These are some basic documents that you need to start business. Yeah, now I know you all are excited to know how to start, how you can start with us. You can easily start with us. You can connect with our executive and get clear your doubts. And we are also offering 7 days free trial that will help you in understanding more about the business. Once you get satisfied with the 7 days free trial, then you can select any one plan as per your, we can say as per your preference or as per your services needed. Hopefully now you have understood the concept of dropshipping, what is dropshipping, what are the benefits of dropshipping, how you can start dropshipping. So I will suggest you all, this is the, we can say, as you know, the e-commerce industry is booming day by day. So dropshipping is one of the best option who want to start the e-commerce business with a less investment or by working from home. So that's all. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.